Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. If you are looking for a modern and latest consumer things, then keep your worries aside, because you are in the right place. Here we present the best and the latest gadget of this year. Today I am going to make a video on best 5 electric oven at an affordable price of 2023. If you really like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the product links are given. Product 1. Product name: Konka Electric Baking Oven. The Konka Electric Baking Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to a variety of cooking needs. With a compact size of 12 liters and a power rating of 800 watts, this electric oven is ideal for small kitchens or for individuals and small families, serving 1 to 3 persons. Its sleek and modern design, featuring a vibrant green color, not only adds a pop of color to your kitchen, but also makes it a stylish addition to your culinary arsenal. This multifunctional electric baking oven offers a range of cooking options, making it a versatile tool for everyday cooking. It can be used for baking pizza, bread, and pastries, allowing you to enjoy homemade treats with ease. Additionally, it serves as a toaster, crisping up your morning toast to perfection. Furthermore, the oven can function as a roaster, making it convenient for roasting small cuts of meat or vegetables. It can even be used for barbecue-style cooking, giving you the option to grill various dishes indoors, regardless of the weather, user-friendliness in mind. It typically comes equipped with adjustable temperature and timer settings, allowing you to customize cooking conditions to achieve the desired results for your recipes. The compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and its energy-efficient operation ensures that it won't significantly impact your utility bills. In summary, the Konka Electric Baking Oven is a small but mighty kitchen appliance that can accommodate a wide range of cooking tasks, making it an excellent addition to small kitchens, dorm rooms, or for anyone seeking a versatile and compact cooking solution. Its multifunctionality, stylish design, and user-friendly features make it a valuable tool for those who love to cook or bake for 1 to 3 persons, offering a convenient and efficient way to prepare a variety. Product 2. Product name: 220V12 Lyris Electric Oven. The 220V12 Lyris Electric Oven is a household kitchen appliance designed for compact and versatile baking and cooking needs. This small mini retro vertical oven is known for its multifunctionality and is particularly suitable for individuals or small families with limited kitchen space. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Voltage and capacity. As the name suggests, this electric oven operates on a 220-volt power supply. It boasts a 12-liter capacity, making it ideal for preparing smaller meals and snacks. Space-saving design. The oven's vertical orientation takes up minimal counter space, making it a great choice for kitchens with limited room for larger appliances. Retro aesthetics. The mini oven features a retro design, adding a touch of nostalgia and style to your kitchen decor. Its aesthetic appeal makes it a charming addition to any home. Multifunctionality. Despite its compact size, the 220V, and even making pizza, this makes it a practical choice for a wide range of culinary creations. Ease of use. Operating the oven is user-friendly, with straightforward temperature and timer controls. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to set the temperature and cooking time with ease. Efficient heating. The oven is equipped with efficient heating elements that ensure even cooking and consistent results, whether you're baking pastries, roasting vegetables, or preparing a homemade pizza. Compact size. The small size of this oven makes it energy efficient, as it heats up quickly and doesn't require as much electricity as larger ovens. It's a practical option for smaller households or those who want to save on energy bills. Household convenience. The 220V12 Lyris Electric Oven is perfect for everyday cooking needs, enabling you to quickly prepare meals without the need for a full-sized oven. In summary, the 220V12 Lyris Electric Oven is a compact and stylish kitchen appliance that offers multifunctional capabilities for baking and kitchens, or for those who appreciate both form and function in their appliances. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or making a homemade pizza, this electric oven can help you achieve delicious results with convenience. Product 3. Product name: Konka Electric Baking Oven. The Konka Electric Baking Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to various cooking needs, making it an excellent addition to any home kitchen. With a compact size and a charming pink finish, it not only provides functionality, but also adds a touch of style to your culinary space. One of the standout features of the Konka Electric Baking Oven is its 13-liter capacity, which is suitable for small to medium-sized meals and snacks. This size is perfect for individuals, small families, or anyone looking to prepare delicious dishes without taking up too much countertop space. This multifunctional oven offers a wide range of cooking options. Whether you're in the mood for baking, roasting, low-temperature fermentation, toasting pizza, or drying fruits, this appliance has you covered. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for those who enjoy experimenting with various cooking techniques and recipes. One of the notable advantages of the Conca electric baking oven is its fermentation feature is also ideal for those who love making homemade bread or yogurt. In addition to its cooking capabilities, the Conca electric baking oven is designed with user convenience in mind. It typically comes with easy-to-use controls and a clear display, allowing you to set the temperature and timer with ease. The compact size and attractive pink color make it an appealing choice for those looking for both functionality and aesthetics in their kitchen appliances. In summary, the Conca electric baking oven is a 13-liter multifunctional kitchen appliance that offers versatility, precise temperature control, and a stylish design. Whether you're a baking enthusiast, a pizza lover, or simply someone who enjoys experimenting with different cooking methods, this oven can meet your needs. Product 4 product name Viver 21L, 47L, and 66L electric oven. The Viver 21L, 47L, and 66L electric oven commercial multifunction countertop baking machine, often referred to as a silver electric oven, is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to meet a wide range of cooking needs. This electric oven comes in multiple sizes, including 21 liters, 47 liters, and 66 liters, catering to both home and commercial settings. Key features of the Viver Silver electric oven include multifunctionality. This oven is equipped with various cooking functions, making it suitable for baking, toasting, and pizza making. Its versatility allows users to prepare a variety of dishes effortlessly. Countertop design. The countertop design of this electric oven is space-saving, making it a convenient choice for kitchens with limited space. It can be easily placed on a countertop, allowing for easy access and operation. Convection technology. The oven utilizes convection technology, which ensures even cooking and browning of food. This feature is particularly useful for baking tasks, as it distributes heat evenly throughout the oven cavity. Multiple layers. Depending on the chosen model, 21L, 47L, or 66L, the oven may come with 3 or 4 layers, providing ample cooking space for various dishes simultaneously. This is especially beneficial for busy kitchens or when cooking for a large group. Commercial and home use. The Viver Silver electric oven is versatile enough to meet the demands of both commercial establishments, such as restaurants and bakeries, as well as home kitchens. It is suitable for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Easy operation. The oven is designed for user-friendly operation, with intuitive controls and settings. It allows for precise temperature and timer adjustments to achieve the desired cooking results. Durable build. Viver is known for its reliable and durable kitchen appliances. This electric oven is constructed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring longevity and reliability. Silver finish. The oven features a silver finish, which not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also makes it easy to clean and maintain. Product 5 product name Silver electric oven. The silver electric oven, specifically the countertop toaster oven model 31123D with a roll-top door, is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to cater to a variety of cooking needs. With its sleek silver finish, this oven not only offers functionality, but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Any of the standout features of this silver electric oven is its easy-reach roll-top door. This innovative design allows for convenient access to the oven's interior without the need for excessive bending or reaching, making it a user-friendly choice, especially for those with mobility concerns. It simplifies the process of placing and removing dishes, ensuring safety and ease of use. The oven has a 6-slice capacity, making it suitable for small to medium-sized households. Whether you're toasting bread, baking cookies, reheating leftovers, or preparing a roast chicken, this appliance can handle a wide range of culinary tasks. Hot air, promoting faster and more efficient cooking, which is especially useful for achieving crispy and evenly browned dishes. In the realm of kitchen appliances, a silver electric oven like this one combines style, convenience, and functionality. Its silver finish enhances the aesthetics of your kitchen, while the roll-top door and convection technology provide practical benefits for cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're a busy home cook or someone looking to simplify their cooking routine,
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.